Here's how to quickly find your liked photos and videos on Pinterest. So first, go ahead and launch your Pinterest application on your device, log into your specific account, and tap on your profile icon from the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, this will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select the settings. A menu will appear. Select the option of refine your recommendations, which is between profile visibility and link to Pinterest. Go ahead and select it. This will display all of your previously liked content, allowing you to easily scroll through and revisit it. There is also other options like AI content, interest, boards, following. You can go through all of this and view it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.